Well, thank you very much, Madam Speaker, and thank you for all of your leadership and all of your drive on this issue that is so important to our families and to our nation and to our economy. I want to congratulate Chairman Rangel and Pete Stark for the success they had in the Ways and Means Committee last night. It took us a little bit longer. I want to thank Rob Andrews for all of his help. We had a very long but a very, very exciting evening for the members of our committee. Finally, after so many years of talking about and working for universal health care, the members of our committee had an opportunity to vote for universal health care that will lower and reduce the cost in the future of health care to families and to businesses. The dramatic increases in the cost we heard over and over again from our members last night are crushing families and crushing businesses and undermining our economy. And last night, they got to vote for health care that would reduce those costs. They got to vote for health care that would be available for families forever, that no matter what happens to them, whether they lose their job or they start a new business or they get fired or they have a divorce or they have a terrible illness in their family, they will not lose their health care. Never again will they be without health care. That's what that vote was about, and that's what our members understood, and that's what they were so excited about voting for. Never again will people have caps on how much their insurance company is going to pay for them so that they're just one illness away from bankruptcy, as happens to thousands and thousands of families in this country. Our members spoke out about the fear that families live in, that they may lose their health care, about the fear of whether or not their children will be covered. But with those votes last night and the passage of the bill out of Ways and Means and out of our committee, we set a course for this nation that will protect those families, that will make it affordable for small businesses, that will assure this that our economy will not continue to dedicate more and more of our resources to health care that is not giving us the kind of coverage, the kind of support that families need. That was the excitement of our vote. That's when we got together at 6 o'clock this morning after the vote, and we got together as a caucus, and we just cheered by the fact that we were able to participate in this very, very historic evening in the House of Representatives that takes us on a major, major step forward to passage of this legislation and to the signing by President Barack Obama. Thank you very much.